Good morning! Eto na naman tayo. Kung dati palipad-lipad, ngayon naman palakad-lakad na lang. For today's Reels, dito namin kayo dadalhin sa IKEA. First time natin dito sa branch na to, sa Burbank, California. Next naman, may pa-red carpet. Actually, sobrang nakakamiss tong place na to kasi nung sa halos every weekend talaga kami nagpupunta. It's a go-to place namin, especially after church kasi aside na affordable yung mga pagkain, may mga play area din sila for kids. And take note, it's free. Yes, free pa. So instead na magpupunta ka ng mall and magbayad ka ng mga play area for the kids, dito na lang. And by the way, this is a good reminder to all of us to look for the calm instead of the storm. Sa dami-daming nangyayari sa mundo, I know, I heard you, parang ang hirap kumalma. Kaya minsan, naiisip ko, parang ang hirap mabuhay sa panahon ngayon na wala kang Panginoon sa buhay mo. But with Christ in your life, it's truly liberating. You don't live in fear anymore. And you're no longer anxious of anything. Because in God, there is peace. And He is the calm amidst all the chaos. Sa mga balita ngayon, sobrang nakakatakot naman talaga. Pero wala naman din mangyayari sa buhay mo kung matatakot ka na lang. Kaya kalma lang and enjoy your time with family. How do you feel coming back to IKEA after a year?
It reminds me lots of memories.
And ngayon lang kami nakaulit-balik dito. And it's in Burbank. And we just miss the food, vibes, the atmosphere.
The layout is basically the same.
That's all for today's Reels, guys. And for tomorrow, may nag-PM. Nagtatanong kung magkano daw yung sweldo as flight attendant. So, sasagutin natin yan. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.